Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu confirmed that he authorized a September attack targeting Hezbollah communications devices in Lebanon, marking Israel's first public acknowledgement of involvement. According to his spokesperson Omer Dostri, the operation, referred to as the pager attacks, caused nearly 40 deaths and injured close to 3,000 people. The devices rigged to explode upon use were planted in Hezbollah-held areas and intended to disrupt the group's operations. The pager attacks triggered a swift escalation, with Israel launching a ground offensive in southern Lebanon just a week later. Israeli forces also intensified airstrikes on Hezbollah strongholds, including Beirut's southern suburbs and Lebanon's Bekaa Valley.